Can the lightning strike our house?
I mean, it could, yeah. Lightning can strike anything.
Would it kill us?
Well, yeah, you get struck by lightning?
No, if our house gets struck by lightning.
No, but it definitely ruined our house. It would ground, if it struck, it would ground through the tires, so it would theoretically pass over the outside of it, but it would fry everything inside, so we'd be basically dead in the water.
That'd be an interesting plot twist.
Yeah, well, we'd end up just living out here.
Whatever.
Whoa!
So it would be lighter right now, except for all these dark clouds are over us. I can see a bleep in the clouds over there. Blue skies. I made a joke to myself today that whichever one comes first.